All right, I have a 1964 Vibroverb. Here's my pedal setup. I do use a smart gate. So anyway, here's the 8-ball pedal. Initially, when I hooked it up, it worked great on the platform. Then when I put it in the box, it didn't work. And I just adjusted some things. It might have been grounding out somewhere. Anyway, this is the pedal.